Sorry viewers, again with me, Desi Rimadini. For the next 30 minutes, I will accompany you with the warmest, most actual, sharp, and reliable news, which we summarize in daily news. There has been damage to a building in Telkom University due to strong winds and heavy rain that happened. Fortunately, in this incident, doesn't cause casualties, just only cause losses for the Telkom University.
On Wednesday, March 7, 2018, there has been damage to buildings in Telkom University caused by strong wind and very heavy rain, precisely in dormitory buildings and GKU. The rain in this time also resulted in hail accompanied by lightning that grabbed. It also disturbed the students of Telkom University who at that time carrying out the middle semester test because of the leaked test room. Despite its fairly short duration, this ice hurricane that coincided with the strong wind destroyed many facilities in Telkom University, such as GKU, faculty building, dormitory buildings, a lot of trees that fall, and collapsed ceilings. Automatic glass doors are loose and laboratory glass is cracked. In addition to collapsed buildings, flooding at some point of the campus environment is also unavoidable. Then inhibit mobilization rate of motorbike and cars in Telkom University. News from some university Telkom students living in the dorm also said that some rooms in the dorm were damaged, so it was filled with the ceiling rain.
So, the news I have to say. I am Desi Rimadini. Good morning and see you in the next vlog.